how to build a simple website with just a few clicks and drag and drop. So my name is Bernard C here, and this is the marketsolvers. So right now you can see this is the interface of InstaFunnels. So I'm at the dashboard at the moment. So let's begin on creating the simple website. So the website I want to create is something like a simple e-learning course where you have an introduction page, then you can click a button and just move on to the course where you have a few chapters. In this case, will be 2 chapters, just to make things simple and easy for you to observe how this software actually works. Okay, so without further ado, let's move on to the funnel section. After you click the funnel section, then you will see this page where you have a funnel list. This is where all your websites are actually stored, and you can access here anytime. So in this case, I'll be creating a new website or maybe a new funnel. So after I create, so to make things simple, I will just go for the blank funnel by clicking this button above. So in this case, I'll just name it simple website. Then I just click build funnel. So now I have created the website already. The hosting has been done. So now I'll start to add the web page. So just click add the new step, and I'll just type in intro page for this step. So once I have the step, then I'll just click blank template so that I can straight away access to the architect and actually customize it myself. If you want a pre-made template, then feel free to do so. Right, click edit page. Now we're moving into the architect itself. So in this case, maybe I'll select some of the templates I found from here. Okay, I'll just click this one to begin. And we just remove these headings and paragraphs since I don't need it at the moment. Then for this, okay, let me change to something like welcome to my first e-learning course. Right, there you go. And a video, just add in any videos from YouTube, just paste your YouTube URL here, and basically you're good to go. And finally the button. Okay, the button, once you click the edit, you can change it to the link. And the link, I will come back to this later since I haven't created the other pages yet. So once I've done that, I'll come back to here and get it done. Okay, so I'll change the text first. Maybe say show me the course now. Alright, there we go. We finish the first page, excluding the link that I will be adding on later. Just click save. Let's go back to the paid website interface and just click publish. Okay, so now we have published the website. And now we'll create another page. I'll call this the chapter 1 page. So we have 2 chapters. I'll create chapter 1 and chapter 2. Let's create chapter 1 page. And go for the blank template to create things from scratch so that you can easily follow up. And click edit page, go into the architect again. So now this is the blank page. Okay, so I will just get something outside, maybe image from our splash, just for the background. Okay, this go here, and maybe some dark background will do. Okay, so the dark background, and let's see. Okay, we just take this one. Just a random image that I pick online. Open image to the new tab. Right, copy the URL above. Then to make this image your background, all you need to do, just go to change background image URL, paste the URL of that image that you have just copied, and just use. Voila, there you go. You have a background ready. Now let's add the heading on the title for the course. Okay, let's start by adding a simple container right here, and we have a heading. Alright, okay, there you go, the heading's here. So now I just type whatever I need to type first. e-learning course interface. There's a random title. Okay, we change the color. This time we change it to something bright. We need a good contrast. And we bold this text. Right, there you go. We're done with the heading. Now we go to the divider. Right, so you can see that we have our title up. And now let's go to the body of the course. Get the body up. Grids full width, and we'll be using this. Right, we have 2 columns ready. And we'll have to change the background color for this one. Okay, let's say something pink, just to promote the contrast. Slightly darker. Okay, and we'll change this to probably something purple. Okay, let's see, purple, this purple should do. Maybe we go darker just to make this obvious. You can see the line. Choose. Alright, so we have this, the background done. And I have maybe a paragraph element just right here. Right. So let me change this to chapter 1. Okay, duplicate. Okay, just need 2. Alright, then this will be chapter 2. Right, there you go. Perhaps this is too bright. Let me change the color again. In this case, probably I'll just keep a white background. Yeah, white background should do. Okay, there you go. We have the basic table up. Okay, let's have maybe a section just for the other side, a simple video. Let's see what can I have. What we have right here. Maybe this one. Let's drag it here. Alright, we have got things up. Maybe I'll remove this to change. We'll make some modifications. Maybe use this responsive video. Alright, maybe it's like a video of a different dimension. Let's pick this one. Okay, just making sure we are at the right track. Alright, so we have the video. So same thing, the video, just click the attributes and change the YouTube URL right here. If you have other videos, let's say Wistia and so on, you can just paste it here and remove this URL, okay? So now the text we cannot really see because it's too dark. The background's too dark, so let's change this to something white. Okay, before that, let's type in something else first. Just to get things, let's do chapter 1. Then enter the first chapter of the course. Alright, cool. Let's change again. Okay, Control A for this. Then we'll change the color to something bright so we can see the words clearly. Something white. Right, there you go. We have it up. Now we go for a simple button. Maybe a call to action button. Learn more. Oops, let's change it back. Okay. Right, there you go. You have chapter 1 course up. Okay, I'll save the interface. Let's publish the site. Alright, the site is published. So now just have to save the link. I'll just copy to Notepad, just in case. Notepad right here. Oh, whoops. This is not copied yet. Okay, so this will be chapter 1. and this will be, next one will be chapter 2. Yeah. So the reason I copy the links out is we want to set all the hyperlinks and the navigation feature complete, so when the user goes into the course, they can freely navigate around the page to access the content that they want. Okay, so now we create another page, call it chapter 2. So instead of doing the same thing over again, just click clone funnel step, you have the same identical page up instantly. Cool. Right, let's change this to chapter 2. Okay, just chapter 2 page. There you go, we have a chapter 2 up now. Let's click edit page, go into the interface to do some simple changes. Okay, I'll change chapter 2, and we'll have, let's say this case will be the second chapter of the course. Second chapter of the course. Alright. Okay, we're done with the material. Now we'll go to the menu bar and we'll create the links. Okay, double click this and we can add the link. Add the link up. Okay, go. Alright, it becomes a hyperlink. Okay, before that I need to save this page to get the link to chapter 2. Right, publish up the changes. Okay, so now this is the link to chapter 2. Paste it in Notepad. I'll go back again so I can add the link of chapter 2 right directly over here. Okay, so just hyperlink. Here again, chapter 2. Alright, cool, have it up. Let's save, go back, publish the page. Okay, let's go back to page chapter 1 to update the links. Similar step, same thing, click the link, and we update it right here. Okay, great, have it up. Okay, save the changes, let's go out and publish. Right, finally the intro page, as I mentioned before, the button is still not linked, so now I'll be linking the button now. Okay, click edit. Alright, let's update this to chapter 1. Okay, so now we have everything done. Let's click save and we'll test the page. So I'll click this to see the final version. Just close the tabs. Right, so we have this video up. Show me the course now. Okay, chapter 1 and chapter 2. Awesome. You can see there's a change here, chapter 1, chapter 2. Let's go back to chapter 1 again. Alright, great. So with this learn more button, feel free to add on whatever that you want. You can redirect it to another page, another website, external website that you have, maybe a payment gateway where you want your students to buy the course from you. Feel free to change the button right here. Or in case if you are using this website for something else, in this case I'll talk about the e-learning. So e-learning will be click the button, probably go to the payment gateway, or maybe to contact you for more info. Right, that's it. Simple and easy. Few clicks, drag and drop, and you got the website done. So in this case, an e-learning website. So if you want a copy of this software, please feel free to click the link in the description below. Then you sign up for a free 14-day trial just for you to get use to it to see whether this software actually fits your needs. And if this is the first time you are watching my video, you can click the like and subscribe button at the right corner of the screen, or you can click like and share via my Facebook page as well, alright? So guys, till then, take care and I'll see you in the next episode.